Your team isn't stuck because they can't decide. They're stuck because they're waiting for permission. Priya runs a senior engineering team. She put escalation triggers in place 6 months ago. Decisions are still not moving. She thought she'd fixed it. She didn't. This is what a permission system disguised as leadership looks like from the inside. Now, I've helped engineering leaders fix this exact system at companies scaling from 50 to 500 engineers. And there's something Priya is about to discover that most leaders don't see until it's already cost them. We'll get to that. There are 3 things that creates a permission system inside a team, even after you install escalation triggers. Priya had all 3. Here they are. What Priya is looking at isn't a delegation problem, it's a permission system disguised as leadership. A decision ownership problem. She told her team they owned the decisions and they still didn't move. The first is the illusion of delegation. Priya told her team, hey, you own this. But then she kept getting pulled back into quick checks. She reacted to decisions after the fact. She even overrode things. Yeah, just once, just this one time. But honestly, most leaders do exactly this. She wanted the best for her team. If she could help, why wouldn't she? But you see, that's the problem. Every time Priya stepped back in, ownership transferred back to her. Your team doesn't just listen to what you say, they watch what you take back. She said the decision was theirs, and the system said otherwise. Why did they keep asking Priya for quick check-ins in the first place? Because you see, her team didn't know where their authority actually ended. There were no clear decision domains, no defined risk thresholds, no explicit line that said, this is yours unless X happens. So what did they do? They assumed their authority stopped early. Every gray area became a check-in. Every ambiguous call became a soft escalation. If they don't know where their authority stops, they assume it stops early. Priya didn't have a trust problem. She had a boundary problem. Now the third is a no safe failure zone. This one is where most leaders miss it entirely. Priya's team wasn't afraid of making bad decisions. They were afraid of getting burned for them. A bad call 6 months ago was publicly second-guessed. The mistake was visible. The original ownership wasn't. So her team learned something fast. Waiting, it's safer than deciding. Now, if this is hitting close to home, subscribe to the channel. This is what we break down every week. Now, if every mistake becomes a spotlight, nobody wants to step into it. Stalling wasn't weakness, it was rational. This is why Priya's triggers didn't fix anything. She didn't remove escalation. She formalized it. Her teams didn't get faster. They got more structured at waiting. This isn't about confidence or capability. It's a system design problem. She didn't build a delegation system. She built a permission system. Here's what Priya changed. 3 moves. Number 1. She defined decision domains explicitly, not use your judgment. Instead, this is yours, no approval needed. Number 2, she set escalation thresholds, not come to me if you're unsure. Instead, only escalate if X happens. And number 3, she protected decision ownership. No silent overrides, no post-decision rewrites. If you want decisions to move, you have to remove the need to ask. They don't move because the system still tells them the decision isn't really theirs. That's what Priya just fixed. That's what most leaders never see till it's too late. It was never a people problem. It was always the system, and the system is fixable. If Priya's team went from blocked to deciding in 2 weeks, yours can too. But fixing ownership creates a new problem, because once the team finally starts deciding, every fake emergency in the system gets exposed. That's where Priya goes next. In the next video, she opens her board and finds 14 PO tickets. Every single one was labeled an emergency, and she's about to find out that word actually costs money. We'll break down why everything's urgent usually means your intake gate is wide open, how false urgency destroys trust, and the one structural change that makes emergency mean something again. Check it out in the next video.